Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 747. This is your southbound destination on that train is San Jose Dearborn Station. Arriving at Oakland Coliseum, Oakland A Stadium. And that C44 Siemens Charger leading this one off. Could be the twin 2124 or 2123 SC44. So, hope you guys enjoy my video. Let's see what it is coming on track number 1 over here.
Captain Recorder, train number 747, now arriving.
Okay folks, once again, this is Amtrak 747 Capital Corridor train to San Jose. It is 2123 SC44. Ooh, the bright LED lights. Oh, this is a 5-car set. This is a 5-car set. With an F59 PHI double header ends on this one. I never see this one. Oh, wow. Looks like the cat car is not working down there. It has an F59 PHI in the back. One of the cat cars are not working in the back, so they added an F59 PHI in the back. That will be the 748 coming. Going back to Jet London Square. One more.
Train number 747. Now boarding.
No, this one does not go to Sacramento. That will be the next one. Alright folks. Amtrak Capital Corridor train 747 going to San Jose.
Train number
2123 is the Siemens Charger leading off.
now boarding.
And an F59 PHI is in the back of this train. Oh, 8311 Mount Palomar is having some trouble. Okay, 8311 Mount Palomar. F59 PHI, welcome back, 2007. Oh! Alright folks, look at that train. That train is going to San Jose. 2007 is the back engine substituting for 8311 Mount Palomar. Well, I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Welcome back 2007, coming from all the way from East Coast. Bye-bye now.